Imagine a world where every goal you set, every dream you choose becomes reality. Not because it was easy, but because you refuse to quit. That world exists, and the path is paved with self-discipline and resilience. As Aristotle once said, we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. Success isn't born out of luck or fleeting motivation. It's built on the daily practice of discipline and the unyielding strength of resilience. Self-discipline is the engine that keeps us moving forward, and resilience is the shock absorber that helps us endure bumps along the way. Together, they form the foundation of personal growth and success. Today, we'll uncover how these two qualities can transform your life and how you can begin to develop them right now. Self-discipline is the ability to stay committed to your goals, even when the initial excitement fades. It's waking up early to exercise, resisting distractions to focus on your work, and saying no to the easy path in favor of the meaningful one. Resilience, on the other hand, is your ability to bounce back from setbacks. It's not avoiding failures, it's learning to rise stronger every time you fall. Think of a marathon runner. The first few kilometers might feel easy, but as fatigue sets in, it's discipline that keeps their legs moving. When they stumble or hit a wall, resilience is what gets them back on their feet. A personal story: a friend once failed his first attempt at starting a business. He could have stopped there, but instead he analysed his mistakes, refined his approach and tried again. And on his third attempt, he built a thriving company. Consider Nelson Mandela, who spent 27 years in prison, yet emerged not broken but stronger. His self-discipline kept him focused on his vision of equality, and resilience allowed him to endure unimaginable hardship and lead a nation towards peace. Both self-discipline and resilience are skills, not traits. Neuroscience shows the more you practice self-control, the stronger your brain's ability to sustain it becomes. Likewise, each time you overcome adversity, you build emotional strength like muscles grow through resistance training. Action steps: 1. Set clear goals. Write down specific, measurable and achievable goals to stay focused. 2. Practice delayed gratification. Train yourself to prioritize long-term benefits over short-term comfort. 3. Reframe failures. View setbacks as lessons, asking, what can I learn from this? 4. Build a routine. Consistency creates discipline. Start small and build momentum. Here's some free advice. Use tools like journaling to track your progress, and surround yourself with people who inspire you to stay disciplined. When challenges arise, take a moment to breathe, reflect, and remind yourself of your why. Self-discipline and resilience may not come easily at first, but every step you take strengthens them. Each small victory, each obstacle overcome is proof of your power to grow and thrive. You are capable of more than you realize. The road to success is never about failing. It's about rising every time you do. Trust in your ability to persist, adapt, and achieve. Self-discipline drives you forward, and resilience keeps you standing when the world tries to knock you down. Together, they empower you to turn your dreams into reality. So today, take one step toward building these qualities. Start small, but start now. Commit to a goal, face challenges head on, and watch yourself grow stronger with every effort. Remember, greatness isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up, staying on the course, and believing in your ability to overcome. You have everything you need to succeed. Go out there and prove it.